Maserati Quattroporte. Remove the baffles on both sides. Remove one screw each from the left and right under the baffle. Take protective measures with towels or other items. Use a pry bar to pry open the knob panels on both sides from a diagonal angle above. Unplug the clip behind the panel. Remove the screws on both sides of the head unit. Take out the head unit. Unplug the power and video cables from the head unit. Connect our wires to the original vehicle wires. Test whether the function works properly. The module can be placed under the saddle.